Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood. Hello everyone, welcome to WhatsApp Bollywood. Riya Chakravarti told her side of story recently in an interview with Aaj Tak. She talked about how she met Sushant, how they dreamed together and how it all ended. In this video, we are going to tell you 10 key revelations that Riya made during the interview. Riya told how she met Sushant. We met at YRF gym around 2013. We were friends. We used to talk. In 2015, we met at Rohini Iyer's party. He said he fell in love in a day. I needed some time. मुझे एक छोटा सुशांत चाहिए था. What happened on June 8? June 2-3, he started asking me to leave. I was also unwell. I was getting anxiety attacks. On June 8, I had a therapy session. I didn't want to do it at my parents' place because I didn't want them to see me like this. Sushant told me to leave before the therapy. His sister was coming over. He insisted that I leave before she arrives. Her relationship with Mahesh Bhatt. Riya said, Mahesh Bhatt is like a father figure to me. He calls me child. I call him sir. I was taking advice from him. He asked me to think about my parents. Sushant met a psychiatrist in 2013. Riya said, sometimes he was fine, sometimes he was sick. It was diagnosed as a bipolar disorder. After the Europe trip, I found out Sushant had a depressive phase in 2013 when he had consulted a psychiatrist. At times, he had anxiety attacks. Riya revealed the detail about the company formed with Sushant and Shouvik. Riya said 3 of us were equal partners in a company called Realytics. To register that company, the 3 partners had to transfer rupees 33,000 from each of their bank's accounts. 0 rupees have been transferred from Sushant's account to mine or my family. Riya talked about her relationship with Sushant's family. She said, my relationship with his family wasn't good. His sister Priyanka, in a drunk state, tried to touch me inappropriately. I had told this to Sushant. Riya has blocked Sushant on 9th June. Riya said, on 9th June, I got last message from Sushant. How are you, my babu? I thought he didn't want me anymore, so I blocked him on the 9th. He also texted my brother, how is Riya? But he never told me to come back despite what happened on 8th June. That's what shocked me. Sushant had an existential crisis. Riya said, since he was suffering from depression, I used to ask him, तुम कभी ऐसा means suicide तो नहीं करोगे? And then he used to say, no, I will not. Yes, he used to talk about existential crisis but never talked about this. Sushant was upset over not getting nominations and awards for his films. Riya revealed, from Kedarnath to Son Chiraiya, his films were very good, but he wasn't given his due. He also felt that even if he did another hit film, it wouldn't matter. He won't get his due. He wanted to move to Coorg, and the Me Too allegation also haunted him. Riya said that she never gave him any medication. She said, Sushant took his own medicines. We would occasionally pass it to him. If your partner is suffering from any illness, what's the natural thing to do? To ask him to take medicines. That's what I did. Well, what do you think about Riya's interview? Let us know in the comments below. And for more such updates, keep watching WhatsApp Bollywood.